Plant FAQs. Red Beret Caladium. Red Beret Caladium, a guide to the vibrant foliage favorite. Hi, Ferbu here. I'm a plant enthusiast with a particular fondness for the dazzling red beret caladium. This caladium variety boasts stunning red variegation, making it a real showstopper in any indoor space. Today, I'm diving into the world of the red beret caladium, answering all your burning questions about this beauty. See more 19 species in genus Caladium at monsteraholic.com. What is a red beret caladium? The red beret caladium, Caladium red beret, is a captivating cultivar belonging to the Caladium genus. Often nicknamed angel wings or elephant ears due to their large, heart-shaped leaves, caladiums are known for their vibrant foliage. The red beret stands out with its unique color scheme. Imagine a classic red beret. That's the base color that paints most of the leaf. But the magic doesn't stop there. Striking green veins snake through the red, creating a captivating contrast. This particular caladium is a hybrid, a result of careful breeding to achieve the specific red variegation. Red beret caladium versus other caladiums, spotting the differences. With over 1,000 named caladium cultivars, it's easy to get lost in a sea of vibrant options. Here's how the red beret stacks up against some popular cousins. Caladium White Queen. This caladium boasts elegant white leaves with green veins, offering a more subtle contrast compared to the red beret's boldness. Caladium Florida Sweetheart. This variety features a mix of pink, red, and green on its leaves, creating a more playful and multicolored display. Caladium Candidum. This caladium showcases pristine white leaves with prominent green veins, offering a clean and classic look. Ultimately, the choice boils down to personal preference. Do you crave the bold red of the red beret, or are you drawn to the softer hues of other varieties? How to care for red beret caladium. The red beret caladium thrives under proper care. Here are some key tips. Light. This caladium prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight that can scorch the leaves. Water. Consistent moisture is crucial. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry, but avoid soggy conditions. Humidity. Red beret caladiums appreciate high humidity levels. Consider using a humidifier or placing the pot on a pebble tray filled with water. Temperature. Maintain a warm environment between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid cold drafts. Soil. Well-draining, fertile potting mix is ideal. Opt for a mix specifically designed for aroids like caladiums. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, fertilize your red beret caladium with a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month. Dilute it to half strength to avoid burning the roots. Dormancy. In colder months, your red beret caladium might enter dormancy. The leaves will die back. Reduce watering and don't fertilize. The plant will likely bounce back in spring with proper care. Common issues and how to fix them. Keeping your red beret thriving. Even with the best intentions, problems can arise. Here's how to tackle some common issues. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or excessive sunlight. Check your watering habits and adjust accordingly. Move the plant to a location with indirect light. Fungal gnats. These tiny flies can be a nuisance. Use neem oil spray or yellow sticky traps to control them. Ensure proper drainage and avoid overwatering. Leggy growth. This indicates insufficient light. Move your red beret caladium to a brighter location. Conclusion. Embrace the red beret caladium's dazzling beauty. The red beret caladium is a captivating addition to any indoor space. With its vibrant red foliage and heart-shaped leaves, it adds a touch of the tropics to your home. By following these simple care tips, you can ensure your red beret caladium thrives for years to come, bringing a burst of color and life to your surroundings.